Welcome to Frugal Insights. Cryptocurrency investing has gained popularity in recent years, but is it worth the risk? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of investing in cryptocurrencies and help you decide if it's right for you. Let's start by understanding what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by any government or institution. Examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now, we'll discuss the advantages of investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency investing offers several benefits, including potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies have been known to experience significant price increases. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies operate independently of central banks and governments. Accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, we'll discuss the risks of cryptocurrency investing. However, cryptocurrency investing also comes with risks, including volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. Security risks. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacking. Lack of regulation. Cryptocurrencies are largely unregulated, which can make it difficult to resolve disputes. So, is cryptocurrency investing worth the risk? Let's explore it. It depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. If you're looking for a potentially high return investment and are willing to take on the risks, cryptocurrency investing might be worth considering. However, it's essential to educate yourself. Understand the cryptocurrency market and its risks. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest wisely. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency investing can be a high-risk, high-reward investment opportunity. By understanding the benefits and risks, you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips and advice.